some Spanish meatballs. So we need a kilo of minced beef, 2 eggs, 3 garlics, 1 onion and a carrot, and some flour and some breadcrumbs and some milk. So what we're going to do to start with is we're going to get a dish and we're going to add our breadcrumbs in there, and then we're going to cover it with milk. Only just cover it, okay? We don't want too much because we're going to make a paste. And whilst that's soaking, we're going to get our minced beef, and we're going to get 2 pieces of our garlic. We're going to peel them, and then we're going to crush the garlic into our minced beef. If you don't have a garlic crusher, you use a mortar and pestle, or you can also use the back of your knife, okay? But a garlic crusher is very, very handy. It's something that if you haven't got, write it on your shopping list. And then you add so we're crushing our garlic now and we're putting it into our minced beef. And then once we've added that in, we're then going to season our minced beef, okay? So we season it with salt, with dry parsley and some white pepper. Once we've seasoned it, we're going to crack our eggs, both eggs, crack them into the mix. And then by this time, our milk and breadcrumb paste should be quite thick. We don't want it soggy, but you'll see now when I mix it in what it should be like. So here we are, you see, take it all out, put it into our paste, and then get your hands in there and mix it all very, very well. In the meantime, you can turn your oven on to 200 degrees and you can prepare an oven tray. We add a little bit of oil on the oven tray. And then now, once our minced is all mixed, we're going to make our meatballs. So you just get a little bit in your hand and you form the shape of a ball, and then you pass it through the flour and put it on the oven dish. And we continue to do this until our oven dish is full. If you need to use a second one, which you probably will, then you repeat the same procedure. And once this is all ready, we're then going to pop this into the oven. They need to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. Don't forget to keep your eye on it and turn it over when necessary. So whilst this is now cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. So we get the onions, the carrots and the garlic and the olive oil, and then we take it up to our saucepan, add 2 glasses of white wine and 1 glass of water, and leave it to cook until it's nice and soft. And then we pass it through the blender. Once everything's blended, we put it back into our saucepan, add your meatballs to it, and allow this to cook for about 25